Palm Springs point of view, reporting live from Coachella. But you know what? I got here and I was starving. First thing I have to do is eat. Okay, this is fabulous. I'm almost half done. I'm gobbling up this amazing chicken with all these spices and herbs at Gwen. Oh, here we go. Gwen, $60 prefix. Well, you know, when you're hungry like me, you gotta go for it. And this is amazing. This is called the Asador. It's made with very special mezcal, Del Maguey Vida Mezcal, chartreuse, pineapple, and lime. Not sweet, totally refreshing. And this whole Gwen situation is so chill. This is the best. Civilized Coachella.
Right.
Fine dining with Chef Curtis at Gwen. This is a beautiful atmosphere.
Oh, thank you.
And your food, I just had a 3-course tasting that was amazing.
We bring a little fine dining to the desert. You know, we thought you're out there all day in the dust and the sweat, and you're going for it with the music, but then it's nice to sit down and just chill.
So nice. We didn't even think this was possible. And you actually have 2 other restaurants in LA?
That's right, yeah.
Beverly Hills and where else?
Beverly Hills and Hollywood.
And
Gwen
Hollywood.
is in Hollywood, so this is a recreation of our restaurant on Sunset Strip.
Okay, Gwen on Sunset Strip.
We're happy to be traveling with it.
Oh, that's just awesome. It's beautiful. Has it been good for you here?
It's been fun. I mean, look, we're full now, so that always keeps me happy and nervous because I want to make sure all the food's right.
Man, you're making Coachella like really nice for us.
Thank you. We love being
so much. So Gwen, all right, check them out. Time to come in here. I think the sun sets and all the lights go on at the festival.
I'm Conrad.
And I'm Claudia.
Did you like what you just saw?
Of course you
Then
did.
push on this button and subscribe.
And remember to ring the bell.
And then that way you'll have the Palm Springs point of view.